Okay, today we're going to have a look at how we use these black squares with dots. They're called QR codes, and they're a really fast way that when you see something in print form, you can go straight to the website as opposed to having to type in the website address. You can just use this, and I'll show you how. All you need is a smartphone. You don't need any app or anything else. I'll show you now here. Right, so I've got my camera, so I'll take you back. You open up your camera setting. Now, you don't even need to take a photograph. See, I'll show you, my hand is nowhere near the button. I literally hold it over the screen, hold it there, and as you can see, a little link has jumped up. Tap that, and it takes you straight to the books2read.com page, which is the QR code for that, which is for my digital book, A New Life for Ariana Byrne. Now all I need to do is decide how I normally like to read this. Do I read on Kobo, Apple, Google? I'm going to click Kindle. Books to Read is now going to remember that I like Kindle. I'm going to press continue, and it's taken me straight into Amazon. As you can see, it's taken me to amazon.co.uk because it recognises I'm in the UK. If you were dialing in from America, that would come to .com. And now you just press buy now and it's ready to go. So whenever you see a QR code like this, just scan the camera over the top of it and it will automatically open it to the relevant page. For this example, it's taking us to the link so that you can buy and download my fabulous new book, A New Life for Ariana Byrne. Okay, that's it. Thank you very much. Bye.